In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print a document on Lucidchart step by step so you can get your diagram or flowchart onto paper without the frustration of messed up page breaks, strange scaling, or missing content. This is super helpful whether you're printing a simple one-page document or a large diagram that needs a little cleanup before it goes to your printer. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your Lucidchart document and take a quick look at how your canvas is laid out. If your diagram is too large, too spread out, or breaking across pages in a way that doesn't look right, the best thing to do is adjust the canvas and page settings before you print. To do that, click the More menu in the top left corner of the canvas. Then hover over File and select Document Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, look for the Canvas and Page section. If you want your document to print with clear page boundaries, turn off the Infinite Canvas option. This helps Lucidchart treat the document more like a printable page instead of an endless workspace. After that, check the content scale. You can set it to 100% if you want to keep the original size, or choose a Fit to Page style option if you need everything to fit neatly on the printed page. While you're here, make sure the paper size is correct too. Choose the size that matches your printer or the paper you plan to use, such as A4 or letter. Taking a moment to set this up properly can save you from wasting paper and reprinting the document later. Once your layout looks right, it's time to open the Print menu. Go back to the top left More menu, hover over File again, and click Print. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and P on Windows or Command and P on Mac. That will open the same print options a little faster. After that, Lucidchart will show the print panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you fine-tune exactly how your document will be printed. Start with the Content option. Here you can choose whether you want to print the full canvas, divide the document by page tiles, or print only the current view. If you have a large diagram, page tiles can be useful because they split the content across multiple pages in a structured way. If you're printing a smaller document, the full canvas might be all you need. Next, move to the Detail section. This is where you choose your paper size, your orientation, and your page alignment. If your diagram is wide, landscape is often the better choice. If it's tall or narrow, portrait may work better. Double check the paper size one more time so it matches your physical printer settings. If your document uses layers, Lucidchart also gives you control over that. Under Layers, select which layers you want included in the final printout. This is especially helpful if your document has multiple versions, hidden notes, or extra elements you don't want printed. Now that everything is configured, click the Final Print button in the top right corner of the side panel. At that point, your computer system print dialog will appear. This is where you choose your actual printer. Select your physical printer from the list, choose the number of copies you want, and review the print preview if it appears. If everything looks good, click Print one more time to send the document to your printer. And that's it. Your Lucidchart document is now ready on paper. Just to recap quickly, the key steps are to adjust the document settings, open the Print menu, configure your content and page layout, and then send it to your printer through the system dialog. If you're printing diagrams often, getting comfortable with these settings will save you a lot of time and make your prints look much more professional. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Lucidchart tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.